My name is Jeffrey Lee. I'm 13 years old, and I come from Toronto, Canada.
Okay. And have you ever sang in front of so many people before?
Wow.
No. There's a lot of people, no?
Yeah, it's a lot of people.
They make you nervous at all, or?
Yeah.
You're making me more nervous.
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burns heavy, when I am still and waiting in silence until you come and sit so well with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be.